Hey, what is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the possibility that Five Nights at Freddy's 3 might be the last game in the series. The reason why a lot of people think this is because in Scott's recent hidden messages on his website, one of the tags says only one, and before it actually said only one left, but Scott changed it. So yeah, a lot of people have been sending me messages telling me that this might be a message from Scott telling us that this is going to be his last Five Nights at Freddy's game. And this could be possible because he worked very hard on releasing the first and second game in a row, and he put a lot of pressure on himself and released very fast. So this could have been, a fairly stressful development experience for him, and maybe could justify him not wanting to work on the game anymore after that. So I do expect at the very least that when he releases the third game, he will probably take at least some kind of a break, because by the time the third installment is going to be released, that's going to add up to over 1 year of hardcore game development, at the very least. And so, making games and playing them is fun and everything, but at the same time, I think it's important to remember that Scott is in fact only human, and yeah, in any case, what he has accomplished so far is very remarkable. He has created one of the biggest, if not the biggest, indie hit of 2014. And also, I know a lot of you guys know this, but I just wanted to say that making games is one of the most stressful types of art that you can create, if not the most stressful, because I used to work at Electronic Arts before as a tester, and also I went to game design school, and I know that in the game industry, a lot of people get meltdowns and they just burn out, and that happens very often in, big companies where they have hundreds of employees. So imagine how it must be to be the only one making a game, doing everything by yourself, and even having to do the marketing and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with Scott so far. I really hope the best for him. I hope he will find the right balance between, making games and spending time with family and just being healthy, because it happens very often that indie game devs overwork and don't take the time to exercise or eat right or even sleep. And in some cases, they even end up in the hospital. Like, for example, Edmund McMillen, the guy who made Super Meat Boy, or Mike Bistel, the guy who made Thomas Was Alone. Both of them ended up in the hospital because they didn't exercise right and they actually almost thought they were gonna die or something. Well, sorry guys, this turned way more serious than I intended it to. But anyway, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section below. Do you think this is gonna be the last game? Is it gonna be a trilogy? Or do you think there's gonna be more games? But anyway guys, subscribe for more Five Nights at Freddy's videos, and otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace!